Now is available on McCarthy Cars VW Polo automatic 1.4 54 plate 2004 metallic grey. Car has 14-inch alloy wheels, it's 3-door hatchback car. Car has split folding rear seats. Black velour interior. It's got front and side airbag. Five headrests. Two central cup holders. Electric window, electric mirror, heated mirror. Car has Pioneer, CD, it's got USB, aux connection, BT audio. Air conditioning, automatic transmission. Thank you for watching.